Have you been searching for a brand new customizable home in an area where there's no HOA on over an acre of lands? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Palm Beach. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in South Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So just walking up to this model, you're immediately going to notice how large the lot is. With over an acre of land, you have more privacy and more space to design your home beyond just its four walls. This model in particular comes in at almost 3,000 square feet under air with 4 bedrooms and a den, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and design elements of a more traditional home, but still with modern features that you come to expect with new construction. Each of their homes come with hurricane impact windows, spray foam, and additional insulation in the attic, garage, and walls that help make the home more energy efficient, and countless porcelain flooring and quartz countertops options to choose from. I receive a lot of requests for larger homes, and especially larger lots in South Florida. And while most of the new construction homes on the Treasure Coast and Palm Beach are built in planned communities, that means HOAs and less than a quarter acre of lands. Even though there's nothing wrong with that, I found that people already coming from Acreage or coming from up north who are used to and prefer a more rural setting still want to live in South Florida and enjoy the lifestyle and be close to everything that they could want here. And on the other side of the spectrum, there are a lot of people from Miami and Broward who've seen the area change so much since they first moved here, are cashing out of their homes down south, but don't want to truly leave South Florida. So that's where buying a home in Loxahatchee, the Acreage, Jupiter Farms makes a lot of sense. Over an acre of land, still less than 30 minutes to the city, and so many options. Now, custom building like this is definitely a more involved process than building in a community and can be just as, if not more expensive, takes even longer, and has more variables in finding a lot and builder that can support your vision. Something like this is closer to $1 million, but compared to a similar size home in West Palm, the Gardens, Wellington, or even Jupiter and Boca, you're getting a lot for your money. Most of the clients I work with, while we start at new construction, we don't always end there. There's so many beautiful homes that are for sale in these areas that give you the space you're looking for, have their own charm and design that's hard to replicate even when going custom. And if you're trying to stay under $1 million or manage your budget, there's some great options to consider. So if you're interested in buying, building, or need to sell your home anywhere in South Florida, you can reach me directly. I'll put my contact information up here, and I can help and work with you to make this move happen. So if you're interested in this home or something else like this here in the acreage or the farms, you can reach out to me directly and I'd be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you in buying or selling a home here in South Florida.